What's up, beautiful people? I'm Chef Lopez and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these sexy Greek style meatballs. Going to be using some of this lamb mince, some onions, garlic, some breadcrumbs, feta cheese and tomato sauce. Super simple. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Lopez, Instagram, Chef.Lopez. Let's do it. Take a sneak peek at the ingredients. I'll also be posting the ingredients below, so not to worry if you miss it now. This is a super easy recipe with easy to follow instructions and super tasty. So we got some garlic, got 4 cloves of garlic. We're just gonna quickly chop them down very roughly. Doesn't really matter. Doesn't have to be neat or perfect, so don't worry too much about it. Gonna cook out the onions and the garlic together on a low heat and cook it down till it goes nice and brown color and soft. Check the link above to learn how to make the breadcrumb mixture. What I've done is I've added a bit of milk and I'm going to leave it to sit for a little while to soak in the flavour. Next I'm going to add the mix of the onions and garlic. Give it a good mix. Add the breadcrumb mixture. Make sure you draw out all the milk out of it. You want the least amount of liquid as possible, and we're going to give it a thorough mix. Now what I've done is I've got some flour and we're just going to roll out the meatballs, toss them in the flour and leave them aside and wait for the pan to heat up, and we're just going to cook them. As simple as that. So the size depends entirely up to you, how many you want to get out of it. You could do really big ones, smaller ones, entirely up to you. Gonna heat up a skillet. You could do this on a pan, it doesn't really matter too much. Just make sure it's at a medium heat because you don't want to burn the meatballs as soon as they go in. Gonna keep turning them so they get nice crispy on the outside and moist in the inside. Just make sure you're careful not to burn them, because last thing you want is to burn a beautiful dish like this. Once they're cooked all around, we're gonna take them out of the pan and add the tomato sauce. Link is above for my tomato sauce recipe. Otherwise, you could buy a ready-made one or you could make your own recipe of tomato sauce. So just place the meatballs inside the pan with the tomato sauce. We're going to finish it with feta cheese on top. Entirely up to you how much feta cheese you want to put. I put roughly 100 grams in there. We're just going to put it in the oven to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes to finish cooking the meatballs through. And this is the finished result. Amazing. Flavors are out of this world. It smells beautiful. It looks good. You could serve with flatbread, pita bread, entirely up to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm Chef Lopez. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Instagram, Chef.Lopez. Thank you very much and I'll see you soon.